Where what?
Why not we?
Let me dash you here.
Hey Army Squad, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rick and I'm back at it like a giant. So guys, listen, we can't stay alone with them. Bree in a room. So basically, every minute you want to sit in my sense in my feet. So I say, yo, come for the genius idea, but you want water. Guys, I'm going belly. So what we're going to do is, we're going to put the pepper in her water. So basically, I'm going to cut up it, put it in a crush up it, put it in her water. And see, we can squeeze out as much out of that pepper we can get and throw the water upon it. So guys, if you're interested in seeing that, please remember to leave a thumbs up. You understand? Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you can be notified each time we post a video. So guys, let's get into it. Jesus Christ, Bree, sorry, are you mama? Sorry. Why Bree, sorry, mama, sorry, guys, I'm gonna pray for me, God Almighty. I'm gonna pray for me. That's it, no. And water is being served. God, no pray for me, Jesus Almighty. Guys, we're gonna wait till she makes her coffee. Come in, no, makes her coffee.
Bree.
What? Every time you want to see me and send me, why you keep on sending me?
So you can get me and do something. You can't go for one little water for me.
Every time, so?
Everything you ask me for do, me do it. And one time
no, every time.
My friends. Where what?
Oh, too fresh? You want ice? You want ice?
Me throat, me.
What do you want?
Me throat.
What do you want?
Do you want any water? Me throat a burn me.
Be
Milk. Yeah, milk. Do you want?
no milk, not there.
Me come like.
What do you?
Oh, me throat me. I'm a jaw. I'm tongue.
You want some more water?
No, we get the water there from.
You want some more? Let me get some more water.
We get the water there from. We get the water.
Oh, that jug. You jug when I feel you want some more?
No.
I'm here.
No, me.
No milk not in there. What is water?
Make condensed milk, me. Condensed milk.
You want condensed milk?
Something milk, me. If you take what pepper, it tastes like pepper.
Go wash it.
Me wash you the red.
Go wash it in the meanwhile. Go Andy. You don't listen, You don't listen, man. Come now, come, see milk, yeah, come. Come, see, drink your water, just drink your water, heat.
Yes.
What happened? B. What? Oh, what happened? What happened?
B, what in the water?
What happened?
What in the water?
What happened? B? Bree?
I bet me dash in there.
B?
I bet me dash in there.
No battery.
I bet me dash
No
in there.
battery.
I bet me dash in there.
Hey, what the fuck now? Fuck.
Oh, you can put pepper in there somewhere now. Oh, you can put pepper in there for yeah, idiot. Yeah, idiot.
What you want to work for?
If you put me in your roast, yeah. See how many times when I'm friggin' short.
You have to come for your things there. Every time you ask them if it juice, water, chips, juice, everything. You have to get there and come for your things there.
Mommy, do something. You and I do nothing. Something can't. Something do not do.
Who said me not do nothing? Who said me not do nothing?
Man, the whole of my mouth can't jump.
You see me there on my laptop and do me thing at the B, make some water, B this, B, and you see me there on this
yeah, yes, at school.
How many school me there, man? What if school me there on the market?
I never see where they're at.
You never see no me do it because you want things to do. You have to come for your want and things them. You have to do things for yourself. You have to do things for yourself. Do things for yourself.
Move! Move!
You know, say that you can't trade damn pepper water in my eye.
If you're blind, yo.
It don't wear out your throat, you know.
It don't wear out your eye too. I'm going to give man fucking pepper. Yeah, idiot, man.
Come up on me, please.
I'm not no way.
Come up on me, please.
I am.
Come up on me, please.
Idiot.
Come up on me,
Come give me
please.
friggin' I want to put pepper in the bee.
No, what did I have to drink? I lost, I wanted that me use.
So what me a drink now? What me a go drink now?
Obviously, alright, now I'm going now.
Pop some water over
Me
this.
not going nothing.
Baby, month.
You see, me just teach you all this and you still at them pump up my water. You know pump out your water? You idiot, you fool. Me just get some water air clean to go pump out your water. You know, do you think yourself?
Move out of me.
Do you think yourself?
Move out of me.
What you do will come to your mouth? You're shaking around here and this guy serious.
Thanks for nothing. What a place now?
Who? Me?
What
You learn a lesson
a
now?
friend somebody.
You learn a lesson now?
Piss me off.
You learn a lesson now? Don't me win there, you know. You learn a lesson
What
now?
friend so?
Yeah?
Sure. Leave me now, Ricardo. Don't leave me. What's me a do? What's what me a go do? Just watch.
Be honestly.
Just watch what me a go do.
What you gonna do?
Watch.
What you gonna do?
Just watch her.
What you gonna do?
I didn't even tell you, I'm not expecting.
Your girl tried damn sitting one time and me yeah,
She
bro.
blind. Fucking blind. I'm a pen.
You can't
That's
serious.
I'm a pen. It's alright.
That would from it.
It's alright.
That would you know what I'm saying? That would really shop over pen. It's alright.
Just
I
move.
them say we do it.
Them who?
I
Tell
them
them
say
tell
we-
if you name shit, you name shit.
I them say we do it.
If they say if you name shit, you gonna name shit. If they say jump off a cliff, you're going to jump. Then if you tell if you left me to and go on.
What you say? Left her and go on. What you say? But I uno cause that, you know. I uno cause that. Uno. Is it right? Watch out, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out. I'm sorry, darling.
Just move right.
I'm sorry.
Just move from here, so.
You know, forgive me?
Move from here. Never give people for them.
No, you give me toilet water for drink.
You give me first. Just go on. Just go on with it.
Hush me, let's calm down.
go on
It's just a video. It's just a video, bro. Calm down yourself, big guys. Come here, don't be like say calm down, Bree. Cause she don't calm down, you know. Tell her to calm down. Love you. Love you.
Watch me again.
Love you.
Just watch your head back, you know. And
Love
that me
you.
and tell you, just watch your head back.
You know, everybody do not be. It's just
watch
a
your
one
head
time
back,
video.
you know.
Just a one time
Just
video.
watch your
It's just
head
a one
back.
time
And
video.
that me
I
and tell you,
don't
just watch your head back. That's all me and tell you. Go on. You take a camera from me and go on now.
Please, no matter the button. Me do everything so you know, please. You will away and start big and say, don't retaliate. Okay? Okay?
Go on and record them. Why you still have a camera in my face for?
We are bigger.
Me a call fire and pit pan you watch.
Alright, everything good. Everything good. We know say I go do some shit now, cause your eye ugly now. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed that video, please remember to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you can be notified each time we post a video. Until the next video, guys. Peace.